Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add, change or remove an email in Binance. It is very simple, you just have to follow the steps carefully. So let's start. First of all, you need to click on the Binance app logo, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on Profile and now click on Security. And here click on Email. Now click on Edit to edit your email. And here click on Continue. You have to write down the new email address which you want to add and click on Get Code. You will receive a new verification code on your new email address. Click on Submit, and as you can see, I have successfully updated my email. Now click on OK, and that's it. I hope this video helps you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.